Number 1. Blogging. Imagine a business where you can make hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month, but where you don't have to ever deal with some of the most annoying aspects of running a business, like demanding customers, unreliable employees, inventory hassles, malfunctioning equipment, or high maintenance costs. It's a business where you don't need any education, licenses, or experience to succeed. Literally anyone has the potential to make money in this business by just sitting down with a cup of coffee and writing an article about a topic that they are knowledgeable and passionate about. And the absolute best part of this business is that once you have articles written that are generating traffic, you can sit back and enjoy the passive income that comes from all of the work that you put in. I can speak from personal experience that every single thing I just mentioned is true. I started my personal finance blog a little over a year ago, and it is making me thousands of dollars every month. All you need to get started is a computer and an internet connection. You can build your blog website for free using platforms like Wix.com or WordPress.com. But if you want maximum flexibility and money-making potential, you will want to spend a little upfront to get your own domain name and find a hosting provider that can offer reliable and fast hosting services. I use Namecheap.com to get my custom domain names and Cloudways.com for my hosting. All in, I spend less than $150 per year for everything. Now, there are some things you need to get right to become a successful blogger. The most important is performing solid keyword research. This is basically finding topics that have a good chance of ranking highly on Google search, so that your article on that topic will get tons of traffic. In blogging, the more traffic you get, the more money you make, because advertisers will pay you based on how many people see their ads. You'll also want to write engaging content so that you can beat out the competition and take that coveted #1 ranking on Google search results. If you want to learn more about how to do all of this, I have written a detailed step-by-step guide on how to start a blog from scratch, which you can find in the description section below. If you are enjoying this video, please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe buttons. It helps a ton and really motivates me to create better and better videos. Thanks. Number 2. Become a YouTuber. If you prefer expressing yourself through video rather than writing, then you can become a YouTuber. Like blogging, this is a business that can be started in your spare time and does not cost much money at all to begin. If you're on a budget, all you really need is a decent phone to record videos, because actually posting your videos on YouTube is free. As for how much you can make, that will depend on a lot of factors, including how many views you get, and how much advertisers are willing to pay to get slots on your videos. But even before you get there, you will need to get at least 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers before YouTube will allow you to start making ad revenue. If that seems hard, it is. You will need to be laser focused on creating great content. You will also need to master the art of creating clickable thumbnails and compelling titles. It's a lot to figure out, but if you do, the rewards can be amazing. Number 3. Amazon FBA. No list of online businesses would be complete without Amazon FBA. What is Amazon FBA? It's a program that allows regular people to start selling items on Amazon, with Amazon handling the fulfillment of orders. Hence the name FBA, which stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. This means that once you have the product in their warehouse, when a customer makes a purchase, they handle the receiving, packing, shipping, customer service, and returns for those orders. In fact, that work on the back end by Amazon is where the passive income piece comes in. Your job is on the front end. You need to figure out the right product, find a reliable supplier who will provide you the product at a price that will generate a profit for you, set up your Amazon storefront, and then optimize your listing to make it stand out. For that last bit, I think Helium 10 is a great option. They offer a suite of tools that enable you to optimize your listing, do proper keyword research, and monitor crucial analytics. Now I admit, setting up your Amazon FBA business is going to be a lot of work, but like many of these other online businesses, once you've done it and made arrangements to get your products delivered to the Amazon warehouse, you can enjoy fairly passive income because the day-to-day operational burdens are generally handled by Amazon after that. Number 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another popular online business that can generate passive income for you. The concept is simple. You are basically a salesperson for a particular service or product, but instead of knocking on doors or calling people up, you sell the product online. How do you do this? You find a product that you want to promote and contact the company that sells the product. If they have an affiliate program, you apply for it and get a special affiliate link for that product that tells the company that the customer came from you. When someone comes to a page that has your customized affiliate link and they click on it, you will earn a commission if the person buys the product. A common method of affiliate marketing is putting affiliate links on your blog or YouTube channel. But you are not limited to just these options. You can even use your social media accounts, like Facebook, Instagram, and so on. So where can you get affiliate links? Amazon Associates is one of the most popular affiliate programs out there. Many people use Amazon affiliate links because they can basically promote any product. On top of that, Amazon Associates is great for beginners because they have easy qualification requirements and are a highly trusted platform for customers who buy online. Of course, Amazon isn't the only game in town. There are many other affiliate programs out there. Just Google any product or company you want to promote and add the words affiliate program to the end. You'll find that many already have an affiliate program in place. All you have to do is apply. You can also find tons of affiliate programs for your affiliate marketing business through platforms like awin.com, flexoffers.com, cj.com, clickbank.com, and rakuten.com. Number 5. Online courses. Another way to generate passive income online is to sell online courses. If you have expertise in an area and have a gift for teaching, you can record a simple online course that you can sell on platforms like udemy.com, skillshare.com, kajabi.com, teachable.com, and many others. Again, it will take some time and effort to create the course, but they don't necessarily have to be hours long. I have seen simple little courses that only last 30 minutes or so on Skillshare that are hugely popular and have tens of thousands of customers. That being said, most courses do last significantly longer than that. Regardless of length, you need to provide real value in your courses, so make sure they are packed with useful information and insider tips and are presented in a clear and professional way. There are tons of tutorials on how to do this on YouTube and Google, so soak up the knowledge that's out there and start generating some extra income. Here's an insider tip. If you already have a blog or YouTube channel, you have a ton of content around your niche that can easily be converted into an online course. If you don't want to do this yourself, you can hire a professional editor or course creator to help you with this. It may be worth the investment to create a whole new revenue stream from your content. Number 6. Ebook Business. If you have always wanted to be a writer and share your creativity with the world, but never got started because you were worried that no one would be willing to publish your work, you don't need to worry about that anymore. The publishing world has radically changed, and now there are some really amazing and accessible platforms where authors can self-publish their books. Gone are the days when you needed to submit your manuscript to a bunch of huge publishing houses and wait for the wave of rejections. You can bypass all of that and just publish your book on places like Amazon KDP and Apple Books for authors. There are 3 things I really like about this business. First, it literally costs you nothing to start. Of course, these platforms will take a cut of your sales, but that's to be expected. Second, once the books are written, you get to enjoy passive income from the sale of your books. Third, the more books you write, the more opportunity you have to generate additional income. Number 7. Print-on-demand business using Amazon. If you have an artistic streak, or just have a creative mind and can come up with snappy slogans, you may be able to make a killing selling your designs or slogans with merch by Amazon. Here's how it works. First, you come up with a design. Then you upload your design to Amazon. Once there, you pick a product and color that will feature your design. It can be a t-shirt, coffee mug, or what have you. Then create a product description. And you're basically done. Based on what you provide, Amazon does the rest. They create a product page for you on Amazon, and when customers buy your t-shirt, mug, or whatever, they handle all of the fulfillment, including production, shipping, and customer service. The best part is that there are no upfront costs to you and you don't have to worry about inventory or overproduction. They only produce the product when someone orders it. This strategy will require some upfront work, but once it's done, the business basically runs on autopilot. So there you have it, 7 great online businesses that generate passive income. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons if you haven't already done so. It helps a lot and I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.